Hey guys, this is a just woke up look. So, how to make myself look nice without the use of cosmetics. Step one, let me go cleanse my face with a proper cleanser. Alright, I cleanse. Can you tell the difference? And no, I'm doing nothing with my hair because it's all about the face. Step two is promoting is just for the face, is applying our eye serum. I want you to watch this. Okay, you're going to use your ring finger and just apply on the brow, just under, then lock it in and you do the other side. Step three, you can use our cream or our serum. I'm going to use the serum because it creates more of a glow. Okay, let's show you how. Basically, rub them and press. Rub and press. Move this around. Can you see the difference already? Step four and the final one is a facial device. I'm going to use a gua sha just so that it locks this in. There are several ways to use it for several points, but I'm going to go ahead and use this on the rest of my face. Don't neglect your neck. Make sure to cleanse it, to moisturize it, and to use your facial device on it. And that's it. I wouldn't need foundation to pull off the rest of what's going on here. As you can see, I would just literally apply my brow liner and eyeliner, and I'm ready to step outside, possibly with a lip gloss on. That's it.